Welcome to my garage, but first things first, we have to resolve one issue. And that's a pretty substantial one. I've got this tripod years ago from my dad, but the problem with it is I don't have the base plate for the camera, so we have to find a solution to that. Well, to be fair, that did not go as planned. The hole is way too low and there's no way for me to get the screw in. Oh, that looks way better now. It seems that the screw is a little bit too long, so I'll just make it up with another washer. Let's hope this will work. I'll just add two, just to be on the safe side. It looks absolutely horrible, but it should work. Probably not the most beautiful job, but it works, I guess. So you might be asking yourself why I'm going through so much trouble just to fix an old tripod. Well, the thing is pretty simple. This is a 1987 Fiat 126p. It was made in Poland and I'm currently restoring it, and let me show it to you.